Okay, so here we are today, and Mark is going to demonstrate for us what you should be doing when you first start training on the Makarara. They advise that you do about 10 with each hand, focusing more on form and not hitting very hard. Just focusing on hitting with the proper form and getting your knuckles used to the feel of the hard object. So now we'll thank Mark for giving us that brief demonstration. This is how you should train every day for the first week if you're going to train on the Makarara. Thank you, Mark.